So here's how to add custom thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. First off, we will go to the YouTube application. And as you can see, we're now in the home page. Here, you can explore and view YouTube videos and reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon. This is the YouTube camera screen. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Add. From here, you can choose pictures or videos from your camera roll. Select the video that you want and then tap on Done. Then, tap on the Take icon. Here, you can edit the video as you like. After that, tap on Next at the bottom. Tap on the Edit icon at the top left corner if you want to add a text or filter to the video. Then, tap on the Take icon above. Once you're done, tap on Upload Short below. And that's it. You can now easily add custom thumbnails on YouTube Shorts.